Hey guys, so we're just going to lay down the boxes and icons for the week of February 17th through the 23rd. I'm using this kit from Keytown. It is no longer available, but it is an up kit. And then I had the Ellie foil bundle from Plannahannah in lime green. So my scripts will be in lime green, and I do have some scripts already down, but these are from the foil bundle, and I'll let you know. I don't have my scripts yet, but when I do, we will throw them on down in here. But we're gonna go by the day by day first. So the first thing is on Monday, my husband had the day off. I woke up and I had my coffee. I had a YouTube binge, and I did get to do some diamond painting. This is from Planet with Stickers. The foil scripts you see here are from the foil bundle in lime. The girl holding the coffee cup is from SPC. The laptop is from SPC, and that is from Carlea Plans. Down to the second half, I don't remember what we were watching, but I did get some reading done. Obviously, I changed my wax. And then my husband and I finished the evening by watching something together when our kiddo went to bed. So that's from Once More with Love, Carlea Plans foil bundle. I thought this cute little Planning with Manny sticker with the wax looked like Doug, so I used that, and that is from Once More with Love, and it was a couple watching TV. On to Tuesday, I got to sleep in a little bit this day. I did, oh crap, that's okay. I did go and get groceries. After that, I came home and had a YouTube binge. Come on, there we go. And I diamond painted. The slippers are from SPC. The grocery munchkin is from Once More with Love. The play button is from Carlea Plans, and the pin and tray is from Carlea Plans. Again, the sleep in, groceries, and binge watch is from the foil bundle. I did get home and needed to do some laundry. The kiddo and I had some TV time. I had a therapy appointment this day, and I finished my night out with reading. So this is SPC, Make Plans, Once More with Love, and SPC. Again, the scripts are in lime from Plannahannah. On to Wednesday, I got up and had my coffee, and I was diamond painting while I was drinking it. I did some filming and had some TV time. So Once More with Love, Carlea Plans, Make Plans. I did some editing and uploading. I believe that is for. I did kind of take a small nap this day. We got some snow. I finished out my night with reading and taking a bath. So planner face, don't remember, foil bundle, Once More with Love, SPC foil bundle. On to the 20th, I did sleep. I believe I slept in, but I was tired AF, like no joke. I woke up and I needed coffee. I believe I watched, oh, what did I watch? Something on Hulu. Oh, I think I watched Shifting Gears. And I diamond painted. This is from Carlea, SPC, Carlea. The Tired AF is from the foil bundle. I did the dishes, which are from the kit. I did get to read a little bit more of my book. I don't remember what I cooked this night, but I obviously cooked and I had a bath, which this is from the kit, Carlea Plans, SPC and SPC. On to Friday. I did not sleep very well, so I tried to sleep in. I ended up waking up with a migraine. I did some Disney Plus watching. Don't remember what I watched, but don't remember where that's from. I believe this is from DEK Designs. This is from Papershire. Had some cuddles with the little. I had a YouTube binge. I did read some more of my book. Had some family time when the husband got home. And I went to bed early this night. It's fine. This one is from Coffee Monsters Co., Carlea, SPC, Once More with Love, and Planner Face. I didn't realize I had a little bit more. To mark this day, so we're moving stuff up. Alright, so Saturday, obviously I try to sleep in on the weekends because my husband's home, so I slept in. I had a YouTube binge. I had my coffee. We wash our clothes on Saturday. Try to get one more up here. I did get to read, so Carlea, SPC, Stella Bow, Sticker Co. for that one. Did have some family time. Had some sticker Happy Mail. And I finished out the night watching something. Don't remember what I was watching though. Gotta look back at my scripts. Come on. But that's from Once More with Love, Carlea, SPC. And then Sunday, I did sleep in again. Had some morning cuddles with my baby. She came and laid in bed with me. Had a YouTube binge with her in bed with me. I got up and had my coffee. I read. Watched something. Don't remember what, but we watched something, and I do remember going to bed a little bit early that night. So Carlea, Once More with Love, SPC, 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 SPC. So once my scripts come on in, I will lay them all out with you guys. That is the plan with me for the week of February 17th through the 23rd. And I will see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so we laid down all the boxes for this up kit by Keytown, and I have my custom multis here from Plannahannah, so we are going to go ahead and fill them in. So, and I did get these in lime, forgot what font, but I have a February here, and I thought it would be cute to put Squirrel down by Doug. Sorry, my phone buzzed. And the first thing we're gonna actually put down here is diamond paint. So I've already went through all of this. We watched some FMA, which is Full Metal Alchemist. I changed my wax. And yeah, we just had afterwards, come on, some more TV time. On Tuesday, obviously, you know, I diamond painted. Been in a mood to diamond paint. I've been watching a lot of TV shows with it, and I don't remember what I was reading because I was reading some manga and I didn't want to like list them all out. On Wednesday I did go ahead and have coffee in the morning, and I diamond painted. I did film a little, and pretty sure, yeah, I watched some step-by-step while I was editing and uploading. I do normally watch YouTube. We had more snow because, I'm sorry I didn't zoom you guys in, because why not put that in? We had more snow, and I read. On to Thursday, I woke up and had my coffee. I had some TV time. I did do some diamond painting. I cleaned up the kitchen. I did read a little bit more this day. We watched Cutthroat Kitchen, and I did take a bath. On to Friday, I got up early. Couldn't tell you why, but I did. Oh, I remember, because I woke up with a migraine. I did watch some step-by-step. I had a cuddle sesh with the kiddo because she was making me feel better. I had a YouTube binge. I read. We had some family time, and I did go to bed early, but I messed up and put best early. I meant bed, but that's okay. On to Saturday, I slept in because I wasn't feeling good. I had a YouTube binge. I had my coffee. I did the laundry. Did get some reading in. We had the family time. I did get Happy Meal this day. And my husband and I ended our evening by watching some Full Metal Alchemist. On to Sunday. Again, oops. I slept in. Had some cuddles with my kiddo in the morning with a YouTube binge. My husband and I had coffee together. I read. I did watch some Step by Step, and then we ended the evening by relaxing. So that is how this one turned out. I absolutely love it. And I am loving ordering scripts from Plannahannah because I think it just makes the spread more pretty. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Yes.